Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to try some new Thailand snacks. They're famous, and right over here is my Thailand cousin.
Say your name, sir.
My name is
Okay, next.
And this is my Mamu from Thailand. Not from Thailand, he's actually from Pakistan. But he lives in Thailand. And today we're going to try some new Thailand snacks. I'll show you.
Try the first one.
Let's try the first one. मुझे आप खोलना पड़ेगा.
Oh, fucking!
Let's try this one. Looking too much. Do you like it? Yummy. It's like, it's good.
How many points do you give it out of 10?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
5 out of
Okay.
10.
Okay, not too bad. Careful.
कौन मूसा? वो पता नहीं उधर से गया कमरे में आप लोग वाले में नहीं आप लोग के कमरे में गया या मेट्रो में गया
What is this?
You can say the next one then.
The next one. This is good.
You can describe it to like, oh, this one looks interesting. This one looks like something.
This one looks yummy. What is
Break it in half. Give half to your sister.
बस फ्लोर में घुसा
You can give half to. You can give half to Zayn. No, you can give half to Zayn. Perfect.
That's good. It's good.
Corn flavor, right?
Yeah.
Tastes like corn. Okay, wasn't not too bad.
9 out of
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Wow. What about you?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Okay, not bad.
I love it.
Look what we have next.
Oh, no.
Look what we have next now. It is basically a fish flavored roll. So it's a little bit salty.
Okay.
Kids like it because they kind of play with it. It's like a roll.
I don't play with it, but I eat it.
But smell it first before you eat. Wait, smell it first before you eat it. Okay. The reason they put it in 2 packets is because the smell is too strong.
Yeah. It's looking good.
It's looking good. Yeah. Just like I said, just smell it first and then you can have it.
No, don't smell it. Have it first. It tastes yummy. Don't smell it, okay? Don't smell it.
No, smell it first. Okay, tear it.
It's yummy. It's like a wrapper. खड़ा ये wrapper की तरह लग रहा है.
Okay, Isaac, try it.
You don't.
No, wait. No.
Without people smell it, you have to smell
बहुत
it.
ज़्यादा गंदी स्मेल
Yeah.
Yeah, let Amara people smell it.
Fish market. मैं नहीं ये wrapper खाता. Does it taste like anything?
Oh, you tasted it already? It's not bad, right? It's a bit salty. Did you try already? Not yet?
It doesn't
It's a
have
bit
taste,
salty.
but it smells.
Wait. I think
No.
her voice can be heard in the video now.
Oh shit
I know.
Wait, stop playing with it. Don't play with it.
You can, if you don't like it, you can let me eat it. I like it.
Actually, he loves it.
0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Thank you.
Ginger, not now. Okay, never mind. Let him eat that. Okay, so that's out of
It
the
was
way.
0 out of 10. Not this one yet. मेरी फेस पे क्यों रख रही हो? This is a very weird video. Yeah. पट्टी कर
There you go. Can make your mouth full.
It's like peanut.
Yeah.
I know this. I did this. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's Thai. It's a Thai snack.
I also ate it before. Yeah. We get too much. It was. This is seaweed. A man, meaty. Bye bye.
I can do it. I can do it.
Okay, he's going.
Smell fast.
I saw it on YouTube.
Wait, hold on. Just share this one. Break
Yeah.
it into tiny pieces. Let your sisters try it too. Okay, give it to Tanya too. And then show your reaction by having it. Let's see what it tastes like. I don't know.